Today we're going to discuss the general operation of the control panel that comes on every A Series Bullfrog Spa. As we discuss different functions and settings, I invite you to follow along using the owner's manual that came with your hot tub. The owner's manual is also available on our website at bullfrogspas.com/manuals. Priming mode is part of the normal startup sequence in every Bullfrog. During this mode, the pumps will take about 5 minutes to essentially make sure there's water in the pumps before it turns on the rest of the components. You can leave the spa to complete this mode by itself, or hit the exit button to begin normal operation of your spa. The A Series controller, or the A900, is a very intuitive panel. While the spa is resting, it will display all of the important information on the home screen of the controller. You will see current temperature, desired temperature, temperature range, menu items, and other assorted messages and statuses. To navigate, use the 5-button controller to the right of the screen. As you use the up and down arrows, or left and right, your selection is highlighted. To enter your selection, hit the center button. Let's suppose I want to set the temperature of the spa to 103 degrees. To do so, you will hit the arrows until the desired temperature is highlighted. You will then arrow up until you reach your settings. To save, hit the center button. Next, we will talk about the spa menu. To access the spa menu from the home screen, highlight the word spa, then hit the center button. This is the spa menu. From here, you'll be able to see and control the spa's equipment. We have Jets 1, Jets 2, Light, and Invert. Invert is used to rotate the panel 180 degrees to make it easier to use while you're inside of the spa. You'll notice that the display is configured the same as the buttons to the right. It's a simple one-touch system to turn on any of these components. To access the settings screen from the home screen, move the arrows until the word Settings is highlighted. Next, hit the center button. This is the settings screen. From here, you can adjust temperature range, heat mode, set the time of day, filtration cycles, and so on. To navigate the settings screen, simply use the down or up arrows. To adjust a setting, hit the center button. Bullfrog spas are equipped with dual temperature ranges. This is convenient for those of you who are regularly out of town or experience dramatic seasons. High range allows the spa to operate between 80 and 104 degrees. This is your normal operating mode. I use this mode during the winter time or when I'm actively using my spa several times during the week. Low range allows the spa to operate between 50 and 99 degrees. It's useful if you're going out of town for an extended amount of time or if you have exceptionally warm summers. To switch between the two modes, starting from the home screen, we will first highlight the word Settings, then hit the center button. Next, arrow down to the word Temp Range. You can switch between high and low by hitting the center button. Arrow back to save your settings. Bullfrog spas come equipped with 2 different heating modes. These modes control how often the spa turns on the pump that circulates the water through the heater. The first is Ready mode. Ready mode will circulate the water every half hour to check the temperature, heat as needed, and refresh the temperature display. This is a good mode to be in if you know you're going to be getting in your spa, or like me, like to know that it's hot and ready to go when you want it. The second mode is rest mode. This is recommended for the best economical performance. While in rest mode, the spa will only circulate the water during its programmed filter cycles. While circulating, it will check the temperature, heat as needed, and while heating, it will display ready rest. This is indicating that the spa is in fact in rest mode, but is currently heating. After 1 hour, it will return to its normal state. Let's talk about how to switch between these two modes. To adjust the heating mode, first highlight the word Settings, then hit the center button. Arrow down to Heat mode. From here you can toggle between Ready and Rest by hitting the center button. To adjust the filtration cycles, highlight the word Settings, then hit the center button. In the Settings screen, arrow down to Filter Cycles and hit the center button. From here, you can adjust Filter Cycle 1 and Filter Cycle 2. Arrow over to adjust the start time, the duration, and again for Filter Cycle 2. I would recommend no less than 2 hours of filtration per cycle. To save, arrow back to the green icon and hit the center button. In a Bullfrog Spa, you have the option to lock your panel. This may be useful to prevent unwanted adjustments. To lock your panel, go to the Settings screen and arrow down to the word Lock. Then hit the center button. From here, you can lock the settings or the panel itself. The panel is now locked. To unlock the panel, hit the center button and navigate to the locked item. To enter the unlock sequence, hit the center button twice and the arrow down. The panel is now unlocked.